Good morning, everyone. It's such a beautiful day here in the Bahamas, and if you're unfamiliar, I'm Morgan, that's Jake, and we're with our friend Tanique. And if you can tell from behind me, it is such a beautiful day. It's actually a work day, but it's so beautiful that we had to take advantage and wake up super early and try and get in some diving before we have to work. So our boat's loaded down, we have a bunch of dive gear, we have our fish killer friend Tanique, and we are gonna try and go out and kill some fish. So come join us. Such a pretty day, slicked out. Whee! Okay, we're getting all geared up. We'll meet you guys in the water. And welcome underwater, everyone, to Morg's Mermaid Cam. This first spot we jumped in at is about 30 feet or so, but if you can tell, the water looks a little bit green. And don't get me wrong, this visibility is still pretty good, but throughout the morning the visibility does get better, so watch along and you'll notice the water starting to get more clear. Anyways, pretty soon after we jumped in the water, I spotted a Nassau grouper running into a hole, so I decided to go down and check it out. And normally when I spot a fish, I'll load my pole spear at the surface and go down so that while I'm at the bottom, I'm ready to go. However, in this case, I saw the Nassau go into the hole and I wasn't quite sure where it was, so I decided to just go down. But right here, the Nassau pops his whole body out and gives me a perfect shot. And I probably could have taken a shot, and I probably should have, but I was just underprepared and wasn't ready to shoot it. But it's okay, everyone. We've only been in the water about 5 minutes, and I know that there's more fish to find. I also have not mentioned yet, but my friend Tanique and I are in the water, and Jake is currently captaining the boat. And it was now Tanique's turn, and Tanique is no novice diver. Being born and raised in the Bahamas, she primarily uses a sling when she's spearfishing. And for those who don't know, this Hawaiian sling is the underwater version of a bow and arrow. And Tanique goes down to shoot a fish that she sees. Now, right as she shoots the fish, I start descending just in case she needs some help extracting the fish. But she does pull it out just fine. And guys, look at this shaft. The shaft is so bent because this is such a big Nassau grouper. But I still help her bring this grouper up because I can tell she's holding the shaft kind of strange. And that's because the other end of the shaft is stuck in a hole in her shirt, so she can't move it. So luckily, I was there to help her bring it up.
Yay, Tanique! That's a nice Nassau! Good job! Be about bang your shaft, but that's a nice fish! Good job! Uh-oh. It's okay. You got it? Here. I'm sure quite close. Oh no! I don't know what to say. Shot myself. Uh-oh. Good job.
We were all so excited to put Tanique's Nassau grouper in the boat, but we each wanted to get a couple more fish before we started our workday, so we continued hunting. Time was passing by and I wasn't seeing a whole lot of other fish, but I did see this beautiful strawberry grouper. Strawberry groupers are one of the smallest species of grouper, growing to only like 3 to 4 pounds. Even though they're small, they sure do taste delicious, so I'm so happy I got this guy.
I got a strawberry.
I also just did a beautiful piece of fish print artwork of a strawberry grouper the other week, so if you would like to check that out, click the link in my channel. And just a few minutes after that strawberry grouper encounter, and just a couple 100 feet away, I saw a bright, beautiful male hogfish resting on the bottom. And I was so excited, I got a nice headshot into this hogfish so he wasn't coming off. But when I started my ascent to the surface, I looked up too fast and my entire mask filled up with water, so I'm rising to the surface totally blind right now. My mask filled up with water.
Yay! A nice hogfish. I love him. Yeah, he's nice. They're always nice. My spear didn't go all the way through.
Mine did these on the
Oh. think they beat the shark fin. Yeah. I looked up too fast. My mask filled up with water on my way up.
I had some more success in addition to that strawberry grouper, but got this nice, beautiful hogfish. Tanique is still in the water. Jake and I are gonna switch places, so he's gearing up and I'm gonna drive the boat for them. Okay, good luck. The fish and I are gonna be waiting for you on the boat. Also, we totally spaced this morning and forgot to bring a cooler, so all of our fish are just going in our tiny splash well, but it's better than nothing. So here's Tanique's beautiful grouper. We got some trash. There's my little strawberry. And here's beautiful hogfish. The splash well is filling up. But you know what they say, when you're underprepared is when you have the best luck. Like when you don't bring ice, when you don't bring a cooler. So hopefully the luck continues for us today. Okay, they just signaled to stop the boat. I'm pulling in the tow line and I'm gonna go meet them in the boat. And hopefully they will have shot a fish. They look like they're going pretty far though, so they must be chasing something down. And I wonder what it is. Let's go get them. So Jake yelled out, he saw a black grouper and he's trying to chase it and hopefully he can get it.
There's a big black in this hole.
Big black grouper?
Yeah.
You got it. Regardless if we shoot any more fish, it was still such a beautiful day and a beautiful way to start our day. Because like I said, we still have a full day of work after this. We just snuck out really early this morning to load up our cooler, load up our freezers, have some stuff for dinner. Okay, apparently that black grouper went into a whole cave system and we can't find him. But that's okay, because like I said, we still have some more time and maybe we'll get even another fish. So update, the sun was beating down on our poor fish, so I improvised and covered the splash well with the towel, so at least they're not getting direct sunlight. Okay, some time has passed. We went on tow and Tanique just let go of the rope because I think she just saw a nice hogfish. Okay, let's go get her. Okay, Tanique on her Bahamian sling got another hogfish to put in the boat. Yay! Beautiful! Good job, Tanique. Oh, fiery little guy. Okay, we're gonna put him with the others. Okay, this guy's much smaller than the other hog we got. Nonetheless, they still taste all the same. Hogfish are such delicious fish, so it doesn't really matter what size, but this guy is a perfect eating size, and he's gonna go in our splash well with our other fish. I'm gonna close their little tent, and they're gonna hang out there. Wow, and a beautiful spider crab for Jake. It's a great addition to the box. The visibility is so good. The water is so calm. You can even see the bottom, and we are in like 30 to 40 feet right now. It is just such a beautiful day. We don't get days this beautiful that often, especially with this amazing visibility, and we are just so excited to be out here today. I know we've got plenty of fish, but I'm getting a little hot and I want to take advantage of us being out here on such a beautiful day. So I'm gonna jump in just one more time. I'm not gonna bring the camera with me, so hopefully I don't shoot a fish because you guys won't have the underwater footage, but hopefully I still shoot a fish, and I'm gonna make Jake drive the boat and he'll record from the boat if I do end up shooting something. So let's see.
Insane conditions out here. Morgan's coming up now. Another male.
Another really big hogfish.
Let me see it. Show him up. Wow, it's a giant one.
He was so lit up underwater. I wish I had the GoPro underwater because he was so pretty. But he's so big and I got him right through the face. Just got out of the water and I'm so stoked. I got two nice male hogs. Look at both of them in our makeshift coolers. And here's the towel to use as their little tent for the fish. It was a beautiful day spearfishing. We're gonna head in. Woo!
Sorry, I was chewing. Very much chewing.
Yay! Okay, we just dropped Tanique off at the house. We're pulling back up to our house. We are gonna fillet the fish. Well, Jake's gonna fillet the fish because I'm gonna grab a snack. Okay, and we're gonna let the dogs out. You can hear them barking. They're so excited that we're home. Puppies! Hello! Hi! Hi! Hello! Hi, Hanky. Nice. So when we dropped Tanique off, we gave her the grouper she shot and the hogfish she shot because she shot them. We only have to fillet the 2 hogfish and my little strawberry grouper. So I'm gonna let Jake do that. He's gonna talk you through his filleting process. Hello. Hello. Hi, Jake.
Hello. Alrighty. Gonna start with the little strawberry here. He's a smaller fish, so you can just make a couple cuts all the way up right behind the head, down to his anal fin, straight through the tail, flip him around, go down the spine, and just right along all the bones, and you're done. Find the bones, straight out the tail. There you go, no bones. Same thing on the other side. Whee! Now onto the hogfish. We'll do the smaller one first. It's nice sometimes when the shot gives you a perfect place to start the fillet. So we'll come right into where that shot went. Just all straight down to the anal fin again. And then outline to the tail. Spin him around all the way up behind the eyes. And just do an outline of the spine. Make sure you get that cut all the way to the tail. And then run that knife along the bones. There's your hogfish. Now watch how fast I can clean this last hogfish. And a little nurse shark coming to visit. Hello. Alright, we're all cleaned up. Going to skin them and bag them to eat for dinner. When you skin them, you cut off down to the tail to leave yourself a little bit of a flap, and you can skin them right through there. Just nice and smooth. Make sure you're not missing any meat. And there you go.
Okay, we came back out actually. Hank, stop. Hank is barking. There's a turtle trying to eat the carcasses in the water. Hanky, stop. Hank is our guard dog even for turtles. Hi, buddy. Ugh. Look. Hanky, stop. Hanky's protecting the home front. What's going on, your little dog? Tula, no. Do not. Tula, no. There goes the turtle. Shucks. Okay, that's all. Bye.